Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing the car and supporting the hood, safety first. Next, fit the correct wrench or socket to the bonnet nut so you get full contact and avoid stripping. Apply penetrating oil directly to the nut and the surrounding threads. This breaks rust bonds and makes turning easier. Once the oil soaks in, position yourself to push the tool steadily. You want slow, even force rather than jerky tugs because steady torque reduces the chance of rounding the nut. You move to break the nut free using controlled torque. A breaker bar gives mechanical advantage if the nut resists. Turn counterclockwise while keeping the socket square on the nut to protect the head. When it begins to move, ease off the bar and switch to a shorter wrench or hand tool to continue with finer control. Make sure you support the hinge or prop the hood as the nut loosens, because the bonnet can shift. This prevents pinching and keeps alignment intact as you remove the fastener. You finish by unscrewing the nut by hand to avoid stripping, inspect the bolt and threads for wear, and replace any damaged parts. Clean mating surfaces and apply a thin coat of anti-seize before fitting a new nut, then torque it to the manufacturer's specification so the bonnet aligns properly. If the nut is rounded or refuses to move, try a thread extractor or apply heat carefully to expand metal. If those fail, stop and consult a pro to avoid.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.